Perform the indicated operation if possible. -5½ plus 2 2/3. Here we want to sum fractions, so we're going to need a common denominator. I think I'll also put these in improper form. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So that's a -11/2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So that fraction in improper form is 8/3. Now we have denominators of 2 and 3. A common denominator for these is 6. Don't forget your negative sign out front. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 3 times 11 is 33. 3 goes into 6 twice, and 2 times 8 is 16. We have our common denominator. Now we're ready to add. A -33 plus 16 is a -17/6. Now this is reduced form, but you can also write this result in mixed number form, because 6 goes into 17 2 times with 5 left over. So we can also write that result as a -2 5/6.